Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is the glimpse of the journal that I made for myself. This is the front page, and I made moon phases because I am in a moon phase. So let's get into it. Here are all the things that I've used. I'll just, give you a brief introduction. This is a paper cutter. These are normal A4 size print sheets. I had them in bulk, so I used them. These are around 30, I guess. And here is a ruler. This is the pencil and then eraser, and this is Fevicryl. So I do not have a glue stick and the glue gun right now with me, so I am just using the Fevicryl. And I really hope that the result would be good because I have no clue. And I choose this Fevicryl because why the heck not? So let's jump to the next step. This is the handmade sheet that I have. I have had this since ages and I have not used this. So now is the time to use this. This is a box which I got from a delivery by Amazon, and I will be reusing this. So I'll just remove this sticker. Thank you, Amazon. So now let's begin. So I was thinking at first of cutting the sheets, but then I realized no, dude, you have to fold them and then use them. So here I am folding all the sheets. I am folding these in half, and since these were like A4 in size, so this becomes okay. I don't know what size it is now. Is it A5? I don't know. So yeah, this will be the size of my journal. I started with just one. Fold all of them in bulk. Do not waste your time by folding one by one. Like you can take 5 to 7 sheets at once. Now take the cover, whichever cover you are using, whichever sheet you are using for the cover, and measure them and leave some space. So, when you open it, there is some space on the side. Take some extra size. Okay. So if your sheet is of 16 centimeter, take 17 or 17.5 because, if it is long, you can cut it short, but you cannot increase the length once you've cut the paper. And now, this is my epic failure, and I request you guys not to do what I did. Do not use a paper cutter. Use scissors to cut the handmade paper. Do not be a fool like me and cut them by paper cutter. The reason that I am even making this journal is because I was feeling very, very upset, and I just wanted went out all my feelings somewhere, like, just write it out. But I realized that I do not have any of my diaries over here with me because I have left all of my stuff at hostel. COVID happened, reality check. So here I am making one. What I'm doing over here is just securing all the sheets so that they won't move when I try to staple them using these paper clips. Take one sheet apart and then just glue it to the center of the cover, the sheet that you're using. Staple it from outside and inside both. So I do not have a long handle or long range stapler or whatever you call it. So I am using this stapler, and since it is not reaching the other side, the pins are not reaching to the other side of the cover or to the pages, I used it from both the sides. And make sure that you secure the pin, fold the pins once you are done stapling them. I use this scissors handle to fold them. The reason I'm using this piece of cardboard is because the handmade sheet that I am using is not thick enough. So there is a chance that it will fold or tear off. So this cardboard will act as a support to that. It will act as a support to my cover. Apply some glue to the cardboard and stick it to the handmade sheet. The extra part that I left of the handmade sheet's cover, I am going to stick it to the card. And the first sheet that was glued to the center of the cover will secure the position of the cardboard and the handmade sheet that I have just glued. So it does not look untidy. Keep it under mattress overnight. There you go. Your journal is now ready. Go ahead and vent your frustrations out. Thank you so much for watching. Press the like and the subscribe button if you like the video.